Hey YouTube, how's it going today? Hope y'all are having a good day. It's a beautiful fall afternoon here in Georgia. Probably some of the nicest weather we've had in months. So, yeah, it's a cool day. So, I'm at work, sitting down, looking at a bunch of stuff on my phone, and realized I had a bunch of videos that I had filmed that I haven't put together and posted yet. So this video that I'm about to post, and I'm probably gonna have to split it into two videos because it's so long, but a while back I made some vice jaws for another YouTuber, Matt the Scrap Whisperer. If you haven't seen his page, please go look at it. Great guy and great content. But he had a older vise that he needed jaws made for it, and so I volunteered to try to do it, and I think they turned out alright. So got them done a while back, and I've just been sitting on the video, so needed to get it done, so here they are. Please be kind. I'm new to machining and trying to figure it all out, but hope you enjoy it. Hope y'all have another day in paradise. That's what I did. I had my safety glasses on and had a push bar for the metal. Made sure I had everything safe. So all the digits are still here. So what I've got is, this was the original piece that I started with over here, and I'll bring it in. As you can see, it's not finished on the sides yet. These are not to dimensional, so I left them a little proud and a little long so that I could turn them the dimensions down, square them up, and come to the finished product. But I was able to get both pieces out of one. Sorry about the lighting there. Let's see if I turn this way. I was able to get both pieces out of one piece of stock, so that made it a little easier. I don't waste as much material. Now, the concern I've got, my blade's wearing out a little. I did use cutting oil, but these get a little warm. It's possible that, you know, these are going to be a little tough to drill and tap and put the grooving in. So I'll have to check them to make sure how hard they are, so it doesn't mess my equipment up or burn bits and blades up. So I also, looking through my scrap bin, found this 1" by 1/2" stock that I had. I'm not 100% sure what the steel is in it, but it did cut. It is a softer steel. It's not hardened yet, so that's a good thing. This is true 1" by 1/2". So I went on and cut a couple of pieces out of this. That way, if I have a problem with that, I've got this to work with. So again, these are a little long and they're proud. This is a true 1/2", and I need these to be 5/16. So I'm gonna have to mill some surface off of them to make sure that this is gonna be the right thickness. So that'll be the next step. We'll take it to the mill and see what we can do. Whew, okay. It is a hot Georgia afternoon. We've just had a
thunderstorm come through, so the humidity is 100%. But we're here working. Cut the fan off so y'all could hear me for just a minute. We have our pieces milled to their final dimensions. Got to deburr them just a little, but pretty much done. They're 3 1/4 inches long, 5/16 of an inch thick, and 11/16 across. The next step is going to be to mark them and do the layout for the holes. We'll drill and counterbore the holes that'll hold these to the fixture, and the final step will be to knurl the face so it's got some grip on it, and we will send these off. So they're almost done. Not a hard project, but it's a good learner's project. It's a good, easy project for beginners, and I am pretty much a beginner machinist, so if you can call me a machinist. So, I'm trying to work with it. My dad was a machinist for 47 years. He passed away earlier this year, but his plans and mine were to open this machine shop, and I'm learning how to do what he wasn't able to teach me, or what I wasn't willing to learn, let's be honest. And now I wish I had. But we have some great pieces here. Like I said, we'll get them marked, drilled, and then we'll be on to deburring and getting them ready to knurl. All right. Okay, so now we've got our pieces dimensioned, and we're ready to start the next process, which is going to be cutting the cross hatches for the pieces to allow them to grip material. And what we're going to be using to do that is a carbide tipped bit. It's got a 60-degree groove on it. Carbide tip. We'll put this in the mill and we will cut our grooves and be one step closer to having a new set of jaws for a vise.